Evening everyone, I'm Sunny in ICAN Academy, and this is ICAN Cook Show. Today, I will teach you how to make a simple sandwich yet delicious. So first, we need the ingredients to be prepared. The following ingredients are bread, and bread of meat loaf spam is a good choice. Sugar and ketchup, I prefer to put sugar in sandwich. And the fourth is egg. Fried egg, sunny side up. And the last but not the least, we need disposable gloves and spoon and plate. We need those for preparing food. Okay, let's start. First, prepare 2 slices of bread. Then I will put the glove first. Two slice bread and then put sugar. Like this. You can use sugar. I use brown sugar. And then put ham here, and then put sugar again. I want to put like this. And fried egg. And then ketchup. Like okay. And then I will put 1 slice of bread, and you can serve and eat the sandwich. I will let my friend to test my sandwich. Try it.
It's yummy. Tasty.
Okay. Thank you so much for watching ICAN Cooking Show. This is your host Sunny, and I will see you again next time for more yummy and easy recipes. Bye bye.